Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can manage a screen mirror effects of your front selfie pictures in the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So now the side open the camera up. Now you can switch it to the front one and tap on the settings. Then choose the first option, and this is the screen mirror effect. If you want to do not use the screen mirror effects and keep the photos in the original state, just switch it on, and now we can take a photo to show you the difference. And without this option, and you have to trust me, this is the same hand, but in the two layers mode. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, remember to visit our channel and our website. Goodbye.